This is how to change the key battery on your Ford with the 2 buttons. This is off a Ranger, but as long as it's the same key, it should be the same thing. You're going to need CR2032 battery and some form of flat bladed edge. I've got a little screwdriver, as you can see now. If the camera can pick it up, just inside here, try the right way around, you might just be able to make out there, there's a little slot. You pop your flat bladed edge in and then just ease the cover off. There we go. And there is your 2032 battery. Just gently pop that out. Pop the new one in. Clickety click. And you're back in business. That's it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.